Thanks so much, you guys. Right now, I'm with Steve Severaid, president of the Adjusters International. He's here to talk about how his company advocates for businesses and homeowners after devastating damages. Thank you so much for joining me today.
Thanks for having me, Rachel.
All right, well, let's talk about a public adjuster. What is it and is it needed?
Sure. So a public adjuster is sort of the opposite or the counterbalance to the insurance company and all the experts that they bring out. And it's kind of a misnomer when somebody says, well, my adjuster is, but that adjuster really represents the insurance company, Rachel. They don't really represent the policyholder, and they don't have any fiduciary responsibility to the policyholder. So people can have an advocate to represent them, to balance the scales between the adjusters from the insurance company and all the other experts that they bring out. And that's what we do.
Absolutely. Now, we're talking about, what has been going on in Maui and how you folks are able to co-cool over there. What has your experience been like working with the people of Hawaii? I know it is public, or it's international. Tell me about what the work you have done in the past.
Well, we've been coming onto the island since Hurricane Iniki, 1992, so we're very well versed with the islands. We didn't just come over here because Lahaina burned down. This is a regular place that we've done business on for many, many years. So we understand the customs, we understand the differences in insurance and policies, and we understand the difference in costs because it costs a lot more in the islands, as you know, Rachel.
Absolutely.
Not just building materials, but also sometimes just shipping contents over and things like that. So very familiar with the local peculiarities in insurance here.
Now, is there something that people should be aware of when they are reaching out to a public adjuster?
Yeah, absolutely. Well, the number one thing, and hopefully this has been publicized enough already, but whoever you're going to talk to must have a Hawaii adjuster's license. If they don't, you shouldn't talk to them. You shouldn't be looking at a contractor who says he can negotiate your insurance claim for you, because that's not what they're licensed to do, and they have a very different set of goals. And you should not be bringing anybody in who's pressuring you, of course. One of the things that we're doing is really education, and that's what it's all about. And that's what people should be looking for right now is knowledge and education, and be able to understand their policies so that they can better deal with the insurance claim, the process, and know how to put things together. Whether they work with a public adjuster or not, that education is really important for their future right now.
Awesome. And I wanted to just touch upon the folks that you personally work with, your adjusters that you have on staff. What do they need to go through? How can we contact you folks?
We're easy to contact, Adjusters International. We're on the internet. So we're very easy to find, 1-800-248-3888. If anybody would like to call us, we're happy to do policy reviews for free. We do that all the time, give good information, good guidance, and hopefully help the community along the way.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for sitting down with me, and of course for kokuing Maui in the many ways that you folks can. Now, to recap, Adjusters International helps businesses and owners with managing, optimizing, and negotiating property damage, insurance claims, and settlements. For more details, visit greenspanai.com.